Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make lyric video with Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click on the Text tab. This will open a variety of text options, from simple text boxes to more stylish presets. Choose the one that fits your lyric video's vibe. Next, click on Add a Heading. This will place a large editable text box on your canvas, the main area where you'll design your video. Now it's time to type your lyrics. Double-check spelling and make sure every word aligns perfectly with your musical flow. If you need to make changes, Canva's top toolbar makes it easy to adjust font styles, colors, or alignment instantly. Once your lyrics are in place, click on the text again to open editing options. Double-click the text to focus solely on it. This will help as you move to the animation step. To bring your lyrics to life, click on Animate from the top toolbar. This feature adds motion to your text, making your video more engaging. For this tutorial, choose the typewriter effect. It gives a classic cinematic feel, as if the lyrics are being typed out in real time. After applying the effect, make sure the animation settings are set to On Enter and Character. This ensures that each letter appears one by one, syncing beautifully with the rhythm of your song. And that's it. So that is how you can make lyric video with Canva. So that's all for this video. Thanks.